हरे कृष्णा श्री श्री राधा मदन मोहन की जय। भक्ति कैसे हो रहा है सबको? मतलब भगवान को याद करते हो? हर समय सब सारे बातों में, सारे चीजों में, सारे अवसर में भगवान को याद आता है? हाँ, अगर आता है तो बहुत अच्छा, अगर नहीं आता है तब तो मुश्किल है। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कृष्णा and never forget him. That is the final instruction. If we remember Krishna, then we will be in the spiritual world. If we forget Krishna, we will come to the material nature. So, how many of you want to remain in the material nature? Raise your hand very high so that I can see it. So, how many of you want to stay in the material nature? No one. Then what will happen to this material nature? If everyone leaves this world. So our goal is to go back to Godhead. That's what Srila Prabhupada taught us. Go back to Godhead. Go back to the spiritual world. And as long as we are here, we remember Krishna, we sing the glories of Krishna, and we remind everybody else about Krishna and their loving relationship with Krishna. That is our business. When we are here, we remain Krishna conscious by always thinking of Krishna, glorifying Krishna. And then when we go back there, then of course we don't have to worry about anything. Because when you go there, all attractive Supreme Personality of Godhead will attract us. All attractive Supreme Personality of Godhead, His attraction is so wonderful that we cannot help but becoming attracted to Him. And then Balaram is there to take us to Krishna. Balaram has a plough. With the plough one cultivates the land, and with the plough you attract. So Balaram with the plough, he is attracting us towards Krishna. If we take shelter of Balaram, Balaram will do that. And if we do that, if we don't do that, then Balaram has a mess in his hand, club, and with that he will beat us. Do you want to be beaten by Balaram? No. So we want to be attracted to Krishna by the mercy of Balaram. And that Balaram has appeared as Nityananda Prabhu, and Krishna has appeared as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is most merciful. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is even more merciful than Krishna himself. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna in the mood of Srimati Radharani. So Krishna may not be so merciful, but Radharani is very merciful. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing Krishna Prem so abundantly. Krishna is saying you first become qualified and then you'll get Krishna Prem. And Radharani is saying no consideration of qualification. Take it. And Krishna is subservient to Radharani. So when Radharani said do this, Krishna said, what can I do? You are the boss. So if you want, let it be. So in the mood of Srimati Radharani, Krishna is distributing Krishna Prem. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratishe Namaha. So that is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna came in the mood with the mood of Srimati Radharani, and he is distributing Krishna Prem abundantly. Therefore, he is the most merciful. Parama Karuna Bahu Dui Jana, two of them, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. And they are Shabo Avatar Share Shiromani. The source of all incarnations is Krishna, and his first expansion is Balaram. So that Krishna, same Krishna from Vrindavan with Balaram has come as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. Shabo Avatar Shar Shiromani. Shiromani, the crest jewel of all the incarnations. So take advantage of this wonderful opportunity that Srila Prabhupada has created for us. So mercifully Srila Prabhupada has created this opportunity for us. Let's take full advantage of that. Is there any difficulty in accepting Srila Prabhupada's mercy? No. Receiving mercy is not at all difficult, provided our heart is submissive. When we say we don't want it, then who can give it to us? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing, but if we don't want to take it, then who can help us? So become submissive, become humble. It's important to become humble. And in order to become humble, we have to give up our false ego. As long as we have a false ego, we cannot be humble. So false ego is the impediment to our humble disposition. False ego makes us proud, arrogant, but in order to be humble, we have to become free from false ego. In order to become humble, we have to have a soft heart. Hard heart cannot be humble. We have to see that our heart is becoming soft. Because hard heart wants to enjoy this material nature, exploit this material nature. But when the heart becomes soft, then bhakti will develop in that heart. When a heart becomes soft, then we become internally happy. Soft heart is a source of joy. So cultivate that process. Thank you all very much. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Gaur Premanande Hari.